Macaulay Culkin. Macaulay Culkin. Sienna Miller. Or Sienna Miller, 378 of 843, the best actresses in film history, 22 of 54, the best English actresses working today, 35 of 185, the best living English actresses. Alec Baldwin. Rachel Bilson. More Rachel Bilson, 60 of 69, the most stylish female celebrities, 1883 of 1883, the greatest actors and actresses in entertainment history, 53 of 61, the best celebrity smiles women. George Clooney. Lindsay Lohan. Lindsay Lohan. Gwyneth Paltrow. Gwyneth Paltrow. Ashton Kutcher. Ashton Kutcher.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.